guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have an E46 tune install for you. So my buddy Tyler has his 325 E46 and he had a tune come in. So we're gonna go ahead and go through the process. We're gonna take you along with us and hopefully he can get some pops and flames and a little more power. Let's go. So first step is to go ahead and install the software, the tuning software on our laptop here. It's a Chaos Calibration Stage 2 Performance Tune. So I'll go and leave links down in the description if you want to check them out. We've done RK and now we're doing Chaos Calibrations and we'll see how it goes. So first step is to figure out how to install it on our laptop. We're gonna go and do that and walk our way through it. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna walk you through this really quickly. So Chaos Calibrations does supply a very good direction. This is my first time doing this, so it took me a minute to kind of figure it out, but we went ahead and got it. So we got our Microsoft running laptop here. Chaos Calibrations will email you a folder. You go ahead and download that folder. It'll look something like this. We went ahead and double clicked on Flasher MS4243 setup. And this is essentially what the directions say. So extract all, it's gonna run it. Just kind of follow the prompts, extract. We can go to replace them because we already have it there. I've already done this, so sometimes the computer will ask for permission to change things. Click yes, hit accept, next, install. So this is, we already have it installed, so I'm not gonna go ahead and hit next. So I'm gonna hit cancel because I do already have it installed. So it will follow the prompts. He has some great screenshots on his PDF file. Now, don't quote me on this, I believe we need to be plugged into the OBD on the car, so I'm sitting in the car right now. Whenever it's finished downloading, so that way we can get this little thing to pop up. Once you follow all those prompts on the application install, you're plugged into your car, OBD should be done. You go ahead and hit ready to use, close, you're ready to rock. Something else that is requested is you need to go to device manager, go to ports, go to USB, serial, and then change one of the settings, the latency timer down to 1. Once you do that, we hit closed, and then I went ahead and went and searched for MS42 into our Microsoft MS42, and you'll see the little application pop up. So that's what we want, and then that's going to start running and it will look something like this. So all this is right now is an application. So you first got to download the application and then you scan your stock ECU, you save the file of your stock ECU, you send it off to Chaos, he will go ahead and tweak it and tune it, he sends you back a file, and then we're going to use the same application to upload that to the car, and then it will be tuned. Car has ignition on. We are connected via the OBD, and you can see down the bottom left it says connected. This boy found all his dang codes on this thing. He's taking pictures.
I got him, but this is
man. The instructions ask to make sure you copy and paste all your code warnings here into the email when you send it back to them. So we have it copied and pasted. We're going to go ahead and download, and then hit identify an ECU, hit full download. And now it's going to go ahead and download the stock tune file that's on the car now. He says it should take a few minutes, and once that's done, he said to make sure to save a copy of that, and we'll be set to send it off to him. And once we get it back, she's gonna be mint. Yes. So the tune he's getting, we're gonna have flames, we're gonna have popples. He was gonna go for two-step, however, he's kind of advised against that, so I don't think we're not doing two-step, right?
No, they don't.
No two-step. Kind of a shame. I voted for it. Flames, crackles and burbles, little HP. It's gonna sound nice. I'm actually really excited because if it works on this car, it's a little bit cheaper than RK, so we might actually get one for my other Beamers. Green bar went full across. Next thing it popped up is we have the naming of the file. Tyler's just gonna add his name at the end of it. We're gonna save the file to the computer. Easy peasy stuff now. We're gonna attach the file to an email with a copy of these codes. And then also Tyler said that the dude wanted you to reply to his email and not a new email. So reply to the email he sent you at Chaos, and then how long did he say until you get the new one back?
About 3 to 4 days is what it usually is.
3 to 4 days, we'll see you back then.
Ah, dude, that's sweet.
Let me hear it.
This is AC on.
AC's on.
No pops. It just eliminated completely. So AC,
all right.
AC on.
AC.
Go driving up the road.
Yeah, let's go take it for a spin. So he got the tune where AC is on or off. He can switch the burbles off and on. So
That's
It's actually really cool feature. Oh, a little flame.
He's gonna get in trouble. 1000%.
That is wild. It hits you in your chest too.
It's a little louder than the E46.
That's headers and muffler lead.
All the way out.
I mean, I doubt it has massive power gains, but I bet it take a couple years off that motor.
Probably is about stock.
Headers, muffler delete, and now the biggest tune he's ever dreamed of in his life. It sounds like fireworks. It's like echoing off the building.
Dude.
Oh my. This dude, is he going in front? It's echoing so.
What the heck was that?
That was so sick.
Dude. You're gonna get so bust. Let's see some flames.
Wait, flame right there. That was insane.
That's a cloud pump.
Dude, you're getting in trouble. 100%.
Probably.
There's definitely somebody in that car, but.
Give it the juice.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Flames the entire time.
We'll do it. We'll do it at night. We'll do it at night.
I haven't seen the flames yet.
That's getting louder by the second.
Dude, oh yeah.
That actually hurt.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
That is wild.
she's pissed over there. You happy with it?
I'm very happy with it.
Dude, that's
better
That guy
than I
delivered.
expected. Yeah, he did.
Jeez.
2 days too.
Do you feel like it has any power gains whatsoever?
I actually, yeah, I do. I went from first about like 2,500. I can feel it.
What about the throttle?
Throttle? That's what I was about to mention. Throttle, you can definitely notice. Even when you put it in the clutch, it doesn't drop as fast, which is kind of nice.
Just like that, a couple days later, we have the tune file back and ready to upload it. Tyler got the email with the new tune file. It's a little attachment at the email. We're gonna go ahead and download it onto his laptop. Once that's done, pop back open the application. All right, we got the application fired back up. We're gonna go ahead and select upload, top left.
Yeah, you want to make sure it says OBD2 connected down here. It won't let you go to any of these if you don't.
So upload, we're gonna hit full upload. It's going to read error communication just because the car is not on. Yeah, so we're running back through this. The car is not currently on, but once you hit full upload, it's going to ask you to select a file from your laptop. Then you go ahead and choose that file that he emailed back to you and then upload it.
It'll come up with this page. It takes about 5 minutes, and then after that, take out your keys, leave them out for 15 seconds, start up your car, and then you're good to go.
This kid wastes no time. Get up next to him.
This is ridiculous. See those flames?
It literally is shot about 25, 30 flames, just this like.
That was loud.
Dude, that is insane.
Oh, big
That
old
was insane.
Dude. gosh, I can't even capture it. My ears are ringing. That was a lot.
It looks so sick.
I saw the light!
I gotta get out of here. This is too much for me. Dude, he asked for a flame tune. He got a flame tune. Well, there you have it, the Chaos Calibration flame tune for an E46. Our buddy Daniel over at Chaos Calibrations, make sure to go hit him up. There's a link down in the description to go get your E46 tuned. He does a couple other BMWs as well, so make sure to shoot him a message, tell him that J Speed Racing sent you, and he'll hopefully hook you up a little bit of discount. If you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. That'll mean so much to me. Let me know what you think of the tune down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next video.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation.